There are 5 steps in doing group pyrolysis equipment feeding. Reactor heating pyrolysis. Cooling. Exhaust gas treatment. Carbon black collection. Process a wide variety of raw materials. Tires, various rubber material or whole tires, rubber powder. DNYNG supplies the tire and rubber powder processing line. Plastic, all plastic materials except PVC and PET. Oil sludge, tank sludge, wheel-filled sludge, coal tar, etc. Through the doing pyrolysis plant, waste can be converted to treasure for multiple uses. It can be used as fuel for steel mills and glass factories.